How to use Experian Boost on the app. In order to use Experian Boost on the mobile app, you need to follow the steps. First thing first, you have to open the app and log into your account. After you're logged in, you then need to tap onto the more icon on the bottom menu of this section. There, you have to go ahead and select Experian Boost from the list and start the process. Now you just have to make sure to go ahead and tap on start your boost and accept the terms and conditions, all that, and search for the section, or just search for and select the bank or credit card you use to pay your bill. Then you have to enter your online banking credential to establish the secure encrypted connections, and you have to make sure to go and verify and add bills. The app will automatically scan for eligible recurring payments like utilities, phone streaming service, and rent, all that. And after which you could simply go ahead and confirm which one, or just one time payment you want to add to your Experian credit file. And this is how you're supposed to use your Experian Boost on the app. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.